Hello guys, how you
Hi.
doing? Day number three.
Three.
Yeah, landed the day before. So yesterday was our first full day, and this is our second full day, but our third day being here.
Yeah.
Today we're going to a few places. Today we're going to Times Square, just to look around a little bit, and then we're going to Harlem in Manhattan. We're going to a soul food restaurant. I've been wanting some collard greens and some cornbread, and so yeah, we're gonna go and get some of that food, and then we're going to World Changers International Church in New York, Creflo Dollar's ministry.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Should have fun. It's gonna be my first time walking down, all of Times Street in Manhattan, so that should be cool.
It's a Times Street.
Oh dear. Times Square
Yeah.
and Manhattan.
Manhattan.
Can't talk. Times Square and Manhattan. Sorry guys. Yeah, should be good. I put my heels on today.
Yeah. Looking good, man.
Yeah.
Yesterday was really good.
Yeah, it was really
We did
good.
loads of shopping in Jersey Gardens. Bought so many things from Forever 21. Forever 21 is absolutely amazing.
It is
It's
so
absolutely amazing. There was a skirt that I saw as soon as we got in there, and I told her if she does not buy that skirt, I'm not talking to her anymore. So she had to buy it. Then we went to Armani Exchange.
Yeah.
That was really, really good in there.
Bought quite a few things
Bought
there.
quite a few things there as well. So no, it was a really, really good time.
It
Had
was.
some nice lunch from Cajun Grill. It's kind of similar to Caribbean, like Jamaican food.
It's like a mix between Jamaican and West African food. It's like put together.
It was so nice.
Yeah.
I had some spicy rice with plantain and shrimp.
Which is basically like
It
jollof
was
rice.
like jollof rice, yeah. But it was a bit different.
It was slightly different.
Yeah.
And I had the barbecue chicken. It's basically like, like sweet and sour chicken that you get, the Hong Kong style.
Yeah.
It's basically that, but a barbecue sort of sauce. It was amazing. So yeah, and then we had some Haagen-Dazs ice cream.
Haagen-Dazs ice cream.
It was really nice.
That was really, really good.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyway, guys, we'll see you later. We're going off to Times Square. We need to get the bus now. So yeah, we'll let you know how it went. Bye.
Bye.